Hey guys, what's up? I'm your friend back with a new video tutorial on MySQL. In the previous video, we saw some basic commands related to the database. In this video, we are gonna see how to create the table on your online editor tool, that is rectester.com. If you have any doubt related to this session, please put it on comment section. So here we begin with our video. Before moving towards our code, let's understand some basic syntax on how to create table. So here's the syntax. Create table, table name, followed by a circular bracket. You should all know that the number of column that we want in our table should be inside the circular bracket, and each and every column should be separated by a comma. So first we have to enter column name followed by a data type. Data type is a type of data that a table should contains. Then we enter some properties that we want to apply on that column. Null, not null. By default it has null value. If we want that table should contain a particular value, then we enter not null. Sometimes we also write as primary key. So after entering the number of columns that we want in our table, close the circular bracket, and as usual at last we have to put the semicolon. Semicolon is very important in MySQL because each and every statement in MySQL ends with a semicolon. So here we have done with our syntax. Let's move towards our online editor tool, that is rectester.com. Before doing code, you should also note that SQL is not a case sensitive language, so there's no problem in using block or small letters. Now I am on my online editor tool, that is rectester, or on my online website for SQL, that is rectester.com. So before creating the table, we need to perform some basic commands which is related to database. First we have to create the database. Create database. Let's run this using F8 key. Oops, there's an error. You can read the error, showing the error in syntax. Are you getting this? Why this error is appearing on my screen? If you have seen my previous video, I have told in that video that this website doesn't allow you to create your own database. So you have to use the database which is available by this website. So to see the database that is available by this website, we use the command show databases. There are total two databases available by this website, that is Information Schema and Rectester. I'll go with Rectester. To use this, I'll use the command use database name, that is Rectester. Let's run this. There is not an error. So now we can create our table. For that we use command create table. Table name, try something unique table name, because there are many persons practicing on this table and there also be thousands of table on this website. So try something unique name. I'll go for employee 0045. Open the circular bracket. Let's enter f name, first name, with a data type of varchar and the limit of 25, comma, enter. Now for the last name, data type varchar, limit of same as 25, comma. Let's go for the salary. For salary can be in the decimal, means 50.22 or 5000.56. So we will use the data type decimal in the bracket 5, 2. Means the decimal can be allowed till 2 points, means after the point only two variables can be allowed. So we'll put the comma, and next we will go for address. Let's put the limit of 50. Now next we will go for date of birth, that is DOB. For that we have a unique data type, that is date. Now our table is complete. Close the circular bracket, and very important, that is semicolon. Now enter. So let's run this code and see is there any error appearing or not. Press the F8 key. So our table is created. We have pressed the F8 key, means the table with the name of EMP0045 is already saved in the database of Rectester. So if we run the command, that is desk for desk table name, for the table description, it will show an error, desk EMP0045. Let's run it. There will be an error. Table EMP0045 already exists, means this happens because we have run the program with the same table name 2 times. So to get your table description, we have to erase this part, create table 1, create table part. Now if we run our program, then we will get our description of our table. So let's run it using F8 key. Here's your table. Now you can check the field: fname, lname, salary, address, DOB, type, data type, null. By default we have null value, so it's yes. Key, primary key or foreign key, we have not entered any key, so it is. So here we have done with the part of table. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the further notification of SQL video tutorial.